Most gardeners walk right past one of the most powerful plant growth compounds available, and it is hanging in their own backyard. Willow branches are loaded with natural rooting hormones and immune-boosting compounds that most people have never heard of. When you combine them with raw apple cider vinegar, you get a potent, completely organic liquid tonic that strengthens roots, speeds recovery, and supports healthy plant growth from the ground up. This video shows you exactly how to make a full batch in under 10 minutes, and it will be ready to use in just 48 hours. Willow branches are not just good for mulch or garden crafts. They contain two naturally occurring plant compounds that are remarkably effective. The first is indole-3-butyric acid, known as IBA, which is the same compound that commercial rooting powders are formulated to replicate. It directly signals a plant's cells to begin forming new roots, making it one of the most studied natural rooting agents in modern horticulture. The second compound found in willow is salicylic acid, the same active ingredient used in aspirin. In plants, salicylic acid acts as a natural defense hormone that helps them resist disease, recover from environmental stress, and build a stronger immune response over time. These two compounds working together make willow water one of the most effective and accessible natural plant tonics a home gardener can produce. Apple cider vinegar brings its own set of benefits to this brew that go well beyond flavor. It contains trace minerals including potassium, calcium, and magnesium, all of which support healthy plant cell development at the root level. Its mild natural acidity also lowers the pH of the tonic solution, making it easier for plant roots to uptake nutrients more efficiently. Beyond pH and minerals, raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, the kind with the mother still in it, carries natural antimicrobial properties that prevent unwanted bacteria from developing inside your brew during the 48-hour steeping window. This keeps the tonic clean, stable, and potent all the way through to application. You only need 2 tablespoons per quart of water, so a single bottle will last you through many batches. This recipe requires only 4 basic items, most of which you likely already have on hand. You will need a generous handful of fresh young willow branch cuttings. First-year growth works best, as these green flexible stems carry the highest concentration of active compounds. You will also need a clean glass jar or food-safe bucket large enough to hold the branches fully submerged in water. You will need enough plain water to fully submerge your branch material, roughly 1 to 2 quarts depending on your jar size, and 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar per quart of water used. A sharp pair of pruning shears makes the prep fast and clean, and a fine mesh strainer or a square of cheesecloth will be needed at the finishing stage to separate the liquid from the plant material. That is everything. No measuring devices beyond a tablespoon, no specialty equipment required. Start by locating a willow tree or willow shrub. Any variety will work, including weeping willow or a common willow hedge. The branches to target are first-year growth shoots. These are the bright green or yellowish-green stems that bend easily in your hands without snapping. Older woody branches will still contribute, but new growth contains a significantly higher concentration of IBA and salicylic acid. Clip several handfuls of these young shoots, enough to fill the bottom third of your jar once they are chopped. Using your shears, cut the branches into small pieces roughly 1 to 2 inches in length. The smaller you cut them, the more surface area is exposed to the water, which produces a stronger and more concentrated brew. There is no need to strip bark or remove any leaves. The entire branch piece goes directly into the jar as it is. Place your chopped willow pieces into the clean jar or bucket, filling it about halfway. Pour enough plain room temperature water over the top to fully submerge all of the branch material, leaving 1 inch of space below the rim. There is no need to heat or boil the water. Room temperature preserves the active compounds more effectively. Add your apple cider vinegar at 2 tablespoons per quart of water, then stir everything together gently with a clean spoon. Cover the jar loosely with a clean cloth secured around the rim with a rubber band, or rest a lid on top without sealing it. The goal is to keep dust and debris out while still allowing some airflow. Place the jar in a cool, shaded spot away from direct sunlight and leave it completely undisturbed for 48 hours. Over this period, the active compounds from the willow will leach steadily into the water, and the vinegar will work to stabilize the brew. By the end of the full 48 hours, your liquid will have shifted to a warm amber tone, the first visual signal that the tonic is ready. Before we move into straining and applying this tonic, if you are finding this useful, take a quick second to hit the like button right now and subscribe if you have not already. We publish simple, chemical-free organic gardening guides every single week, and there is plenty more on the way. Now let's finish this brew. After 48 hours, position your fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth over a clean bowl or second jar. Pour the steeped liquid through slowly, allowing the spent plant material to be fully captured. Press down gently on the solids with a clean wooden spoon to squeeze out as much liquid as possible. What collects in the jar below is your finished willow and apple cider vinegar tonic, a warm amber, slightly earthy-smelling liquid with a faint tang. Store the finished tonic in a sealed glass jar in the refrigerator, where it will remain effective for up to 2 weeks. Before refrigerating, apply a label to the jar with the date it was made so you always know its freshness at a glance. If any batch develops unusual cloudiness, an off odor, or visible mold on the surface, discard it and start fresh. Clean equipment and a clean jar make a meaningful difference in the shelf life and quality of every batch. The first method is as a natural rooting hormone for plant propagation. Take any stem cutting you want to root, tomatoes, herbs, perennial flowers, or houseplants, and dip the freshly cut base directly into the undiluted tonic for 2 to 4 hours before placing it into soil or your propagation medium. The IBA naturally present in the willow water begins stimulating root cell division almost immediately. This method is effective for both softwood and semi-hardwood cuttings. The second method is as a restorative soil drench for seedlings, established plants, and recent transplants. Dilute the finished tonic at a ratio of 1 part tonic to 4 parts plain water, then pour the diluted solution slowly and steadily around the base of the plant, directing it into the root zone. This application is particularly beneficial for any plant that has recently been moved, divided, or placed under stress. Apply every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing season for consistent long-term results. The third method is as a foliar spray, delivering the salicylic acid in the tonic directly to the plant's leaf surface. Dilute the tonic at the same 1:4 ratio in a clean handheld spray bottle and mist both the top and undersides of leaves in the early morning before the sun intensifies. The salicylic acid activates the plant's natural immune response, boosting resistance to disease pressure and helping the plant manage heat and water stress more effectively. Apply every 2 to 3 weeks alongside your regular garden care routine. Within 1 to 2 weeks of consistent application, most gardeners begin to notice faster root development in cuttings and quicker recovery in transplants that were recently stressed or moved. Seedlings receiving a regular soil drench tend to anchor themselves more firmly and show more energetic early growth than untreated plants. These results are not dramatic overnight changes. This is a steady, supportive natural tonic that works with your existing soil biology. Used consistently throughout the growing season, this tonic supports deeper root systems, stronger disease resistance, and more resilient plants overall. Because it is made entirely from willow plant material and a food-safe ingredient, it is completely safe to use on organic beds, raised beds, containers, and all edible crops. There are no synthetic residues, no risk of nutrient burn, and no chemical buildup accumulating in your soil over time. Here is a quick recap of what we covered. Willow branches contain IBA and salicylic acid, 2 natural plant compounds that stimulate root development and strengthen immune response. Raw apple cider vinegar adds trace minerals, improves pH for nutrient absorption, and keeps the brew stable during steeping. You chop fresh young willow shoots, combine them with water and 2 tablespoons of ACV per quart, steep covered for 48 hours, then strain and refrigerate. Use it undiluted as a rooting dip, or diluted 1 part to 4 parts water as a soil drench or foliar spray every 2 to 3 weeks. 2 ingredients, 48 hours, 0 chemicals, results that speak for themselves. If this gave you a completely new way to look at what is already growing in your own yard, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It genuinely helps more organic gardeners find this channel. If you are not subscribed yet, now is a great time to join us. We keep things simple, practical, and completely chemical-free every single week. And drop a comment below and let us know. Do you have a willow tree close by, or will you be sourcing branches from somewhere else? We read every single comment, and we will see you in the next one.